Hi, hello, my name is Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today's video is going to be a dia&co subscription box unboxing. So basically, if you have not heard about dia&co, they are kind of like Stitch Fix, but it is dedicated to plus size clothing. And basically you pay a subscription fee, so like $20 a month. They send you 5 things in a box and then you're able to try them on, and if you keep things then they'll charge your account, but if not, if you don't want to keep anything, you just ship it back and you only paid that $20. Also, the $20 goes towards your purchase if you end up making a purchase. So it's a good way to, well, in theory, it's a good way to find items that are new to you that you might not have picked out for yourself. They have like style quizzes. They try and help you find items that will work for you. Now, I don't usually have the greatest luck with these kind of boxes just because maybe my style just isn't in line with what these brands think plus size women should wear, but I kind of just find that it's usually a little bit basic. And not that I'm not basic, I feel like all of us have a little bit of a basicness in us. We wear, simple items and stuff, but I think just like overall, if I'm getting a box, I want something different that I wouldn't pick out for myself. So I specifically said I wanted trousers in like the notes. Let's see if they took my advice and picked things with that in mind, because I had a problem with Stitch Fix where I was literally like, hey, how y'all doing? Like, I don't really like jeans. Like, please don't send me jeans unless they're like super amazing, fun, crazy. And then they're like, oh, you want a basic pair of jeans? Here you go. And they sent me a jeans in every single box I got. This box looks like they did. I think I have like 3 bottoms in here. So let's find out if they'll work for me. Also, every box that you get comes with a return package in it straight away, so like shipping everything back is really, really easy. And then they put this little package in there. I think the other one did too, but I just really love the colors on there. So a breakdown of the items included in the box and their prices. So I have my address on it. It is not. And also usually like with dia&co, you get 25% off when you buy everything from a box. I have never in my life had that happen, but that's okay. So it looks like if I bought everything in the box, it would be $204, which would be a discount because merchandise total is $273. So I'm gonna start with the top so that I can try it on with all the trousers. This makes me a little bit excited. So this is by Ryan Wild. It's a 2X. It's called the Georgina top and it's white. The cost of it is $55. So it looks like this. It has this mesh polka dot layer at the top and this little, I wouldn't say this is like even really a mock neck, but it looks like it comes up a little bit higher on the neck. It has a shoulder ruffle. You know how I feel about a shoulder ruffle. And then it goes super tight at the wrist with a little ruffle on the wrist. This is like so me. And then the rest of this is just like a sweater, like a cream sweater. So this is really, really cute. I'm very excited to try this on. And I'll be able to try it on with many of the other items that I got in the box. So this is by Philosophy Women, Republic Clothing. And this is the Claire point skirt and it's in black and it's a 22W. So it looks like it's just a black pencil skirt. It has a zip right up the back and it has some darts in the back. So probably for some good structure. It's I was gonna say very stretchy, but when I did that, it's stretchy, but it still has like a firmness and a structure to it, so that might be good. And it looks like it's probably gonna come either just to my knees or just below my knees. We will see that. I can try that on with the shirt. The next bottom I got are these shorts. So cute. These are the brand is Edition L, and these are the Jenna linen shorts in tan ivory and a size 22 as well. They have a stretchy panel in the back here, which can be very helpful. It comes with an additional button. And, oh, I didn't even say what the last skirt was. The skirt was $45 and these shorts are $55. So they look a little bit longer. They don't look like super, super short, but they're definitely not like a Bermuda. It looks like a nice in-between length. They look very high-waisted. They have these cute buttons at the front. So I'm hoping that these are, my style, something I could wear because they seem very, very cute. The last bottom item I got are the Prescott, New York. These look like just a trouser. Yeah, they're the Coventry straight leg trouser in like a charcoal gray and they're $69. These are like a work pant. So this is like the vibe I'm getting. They're a work pant. It doesn't look like there's any closure on them, so it's just a pull-on pant. There's no button or anything, and the waist is elastic on the inside, but the seam is flat. So there's no like ruching, and you can't tell that it's elastic, but it is a pull-on trouser. So that's exciting, and it has like the belt loops for your work belt or whatever. These would be good if you work in some type of business setting where you have to wear trousers and like more of like a business professional kind of attire. I don't have to do that, but I'll definitely try them on because it's good to have just like 1 or 2 pairs just in case. So the last item is by Mary Sky and is the Taylor Ruffle sleeve. They put kimono, I'm gonna say wrapped in black and red 2X, and it was $49, which I feel like is kind of a lot for a wrap or one of these kind of items. So it is patterned, it's very large floral print. It has like kind of 2 ruffles. It's like just 2 layers on the sleeve there, and it looks like it's a little bit longer, that it would come down probably below my butt and, you know, kind of like mid-thigh region. So we'll see how this looks over probably just like this black skirt and the white blouse. I'm not huge on these kind of things, these wraps and cover-ups and stuff like that, but you know, they sent it to me. It's not something I would usually pick out for myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. The good thing about something like this is the sizing isn't super important because it's just like a big flowy thing that you usually put on. You don't have to worry too much about the sizing and whether or not it's going to fit your body. So that's like one plus, and I see why people wear them. It could add a lot to a basic outfit. Just not something I wear a lot of in my day-to-day wardrobe. So let's see all these things. All right, here's what I was wearing, and this is the black pencil skirt. Fit really well. The zipper was nice and sturdy. It felt like it was good quality, and it had the hook and eye at the top. I always zip in the front and then just shimmy around the back. It's easiest. And this skirt is really nice. It felt like a nice quality skirt, and the overall style wasn't something I would usually wear, but I feel like it's a good basic that you kind of need in your wardrobe. I might wear like a little shaper with this just to feel more comfortable, but other than that, I thought it was a really good skirt, and it would pair easily with our next item. As you guys saw, this top is just so cute. Like, as soon as I pulled it out of the box, I was very excited because this is right up my street. I love a thin sweater. It's easy for tucking, as you see here. This makes me feel like a lawyer. Like, it's kind of fancy, but still nice and casual. You wouldn't feel too overdressed on the day-to-day, and I think it just adds something to a basic, you know, long sleeve sweater or something like that. So I love this, and I love the different textural elements of the mesh and the sweater. This wrap was surprising just because it's not something I would tend to pick out for myself, which I guess is the whole point of the box. Just overall, the pattern is kind of large, and I don't really go for wraps. I try not to cover up with third layers because I have a tendency to try and hide behind them. Overall, though, I did like this. I like the little extra ruffle on the sleeve, and you know, it makes you feel some type of way. Now, I don't blame the shorts. They're cute. They have good intentions. The button's really cute. The patterns are cute. But something about the length and my tummy, it's given me a weird vibe. I feel like I'm a 5th grader. I don't know why. I think also because they're kind of a thin pant. They look tight, but I'm showing you here, I actually have a lot of room around the waist, especially in the back. In the pockets, they does have pockets, but they're sewn shut. They're quite stretchy. I feel good in them, but they look ill-fitting, and they're almost a little bit see-through. I'm seeing it on camera. And these were just kind of skinny all the way down. There's no detailing in the front, no pockets, no zipper. And I feel like I kind of like having pockets. It gives a little extra fabric usually in the front. These were really comfortable. They felt almost like kind of like, not yoga pants, but they did have like some stretch to them, which was nice. And I could feel like they would be a really good work pant, like that you would be very comfortable in them. I just don't love the overall style. I kind of like a pant that's a little straighter up at the top and through the thighs. And you know, if it goes down to a cigarette pant or if it's just a wide leg pant, I do love a wide leg pant. So you can see the squat test there. They're totally fine, just not my overall style. And I don't really have a purpose for kind of slack type work pants personally. So what did you guys think of this dia&co video? I think this is probably the best box I've gotten. I really love this top. You guys can just tell, like, this is what I want to be. I love the mesh. I love the ruffle. The skirt was pretty good. Even those shorts, like, honestly, not the shorts' fault. They look like that on me. And they are really comfy. Like, they're a little bit see-through, so I feel like you would have to do some clever underwear situation. But overall, like, I think the box was pretty good. Even the trousers, like, while I wouldn't really personally wear those because I don't have a, you know, scenario or anything like that, they were definitely comfortable. And as you guys saw, like, when I pulled my shirt over, like, I don't really mind there being like no zipper or like anything like that in the front. I didn't mind it at all. The only thing, like, I'm not a big wrap person. I feel like it's like for me, it's something I used to use as like a security blanket. I wouldn't do wraps, but I would do like, you know, hoodies, cardigans, like things like that, like zip up hoodies that I can throw over. And I felt like, oh, if I have this on, they can't see me. But yes, it gives like some sense of security, but also I feel like it's almost just like something to hide behind in my wardrobe. So it's not something I like to keep a lot of in my wardrobe, but if you're into them and you feel more comfortable and confident going out in that, like, that's totally great. And I feel like it is something that can help you build your confidence with like a outfit underneath that you maybe wouldn't have worn without the cover up or the wrap on top. So I definitely think they're their time and place. It's just something I think I'm kind of moved past. Like, I don't really care that you can see my stomach. I don't care that my body looks how it looks at this point. So it's not a piece for me, but I think it is a piece for someone. It's not a bad piece. So I think the things that I might keep, it would definitely be this top. The only thing holding me back is that I don't really have very many occasions to wear this anymore. So like, I don't know how practical it is to keep, but I do love it. And then the same thing with the pencil skirt. I like that pencil skirt, and I think it's nice. It's like kind of firm but stretchy at the same time. And if I wear just, you know, a nice shaper or something under that, I think I would feel really, really good in it. But same thing, where am I going to wear a like black pencil skirt? But I also think that's a good item to just like have in your wardrobe, just to have. So I'm gonna do a think on this. Do you think this is my best box so far? Let me know if you are going to try dia&co or any other plus size subscription service. I have a couple other ones in the works. All right, guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And if you made it to this point in the video, you're probably someone that watches my videos often. And I wanted to kind of just take this time to say thank you guys so much for sticking around. I know I had a little hiatus. It was finals week, I had in-laws in town, and honestly, I did not plan properly. So I apologize for that. I think 3 videos a week was a bit too much for me. So I'm going to drop down just to my one like regular one video a week, and then start integrating 2 in once I get back on my grind. So I'm really sorry there was that momentary lapse and I like threw up a short. I was like, it's not the same as a real video. So thank you guys so much for sticking around. And there's 500 of you guys here now, which is so amazing. I'm so happy of like the little community we're building. And I wanted to encourage you guys to please comment and, you know, be down in the comments, like talking with each other. Cause like I comment and reply back to everyone. I really try and make sure to get to everyone's comments. So if you have a question or, you know, you just want to chat about stuff, like I really want the comment section of this channel to just be, you know, like a little space for, you know, like-minded people with like, you know, different styles and different, you know, walks of life to come and have like a fun little experience. I think that's really cool. And I feel like there's so many different corners in the internet, but I want this one to be very safe, positive, fun, and just like all the nice adjectives. I really want it to be a fun place that you guys can come and chat with me, chat with each other. Please leave a comment. I am always down there commenting back to you guys, and you'll never see any like hate or like mean comments or anything like that. Like I make sure to like keep it very clean down there, and I will delete or block anyone that's like being super rude. That's not what we're here for, but I really appreciate when you guys reach out and engage. And I've actually met a few of you guys out in the world, which is amazing. So, you know, I really want to keep cultivating our community. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I will see you in my video next time. I'm not sure exactly which one, but keep leaving suggestions. I have a running list. If you had a suggestion or I said something was up next, it still is. It's in the list. I just haven't fully got to everything yet. So keep leaving your suggestions. They help me out a ton. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.